Hello subscribers, today we'll be going to show you a flat with two bedrooms. It's a new flat, unused. All the electric connections are done, but still now electricity has not been given to this house, this flat. It's on the first floor. See the view outside, greenery and all. It has a large windows, okay, and it has two bedrooms. I'll be taking a round of the flat so you will have a complete view about it. Okay, the tilings and all is very decent, and it's not been used also. First I'll take you to the kitchen. This is the kitchen which has been done. It has a good granite toppings and all, large windows. Water connection has not been given because lights are not there, but all the connection have been done. That will be done very soon. Okay, so now this is the hall, spacious hall, and this is the main door. I'll just slightly close it up. Okay, this is a small altar type cap. Okay, so this is the one bedroom, and this flat is going really cheap because the owner who had taken, but due to the pandemic she wants to sell it, so it will going to be very cheap. So this is one bedroom, but it doesn't have a toilet attached, because there is a big toilet here, and this is the second bedroom. And there's the outside view also, all greenery and all. See the greenery outside. Okay, so this is another bedroom of the house. Okay, these are the owner had just kept mattress and all simply. So this is second bedroom. This is the zoom out of it, and this is the first one. But this also doesn't have a bathroom attached to it because there's a big spacious bathroom here. See, there's a bathroom, spacious one with the Sarah thing and all. See the design inside, all the fittings, fixtures, full tiling of this bathroom has been done, and hardly it is never used. So if anyone is interested to buy this property, just I'll be giving my number in the description, and then I'll be directly calling the owners, and you can have a talk with her. And this is in a big building complex, and this is next to Vishant Margam. So it will be very convenient to go to the market and all place. See, again, this is the view from here. The tilings and all, good designer tiling, skirtings. All the windows have skirtings here, and very broad skirtings are there. That's the adjacent building of it. Okay, so if anyone is interested, just WhatsApp me up on my number given in the description. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel, so if any new videos are new flats and all, anything is coming up, you will definitely get the notification first. Thank you.